Dear students, good morning. Now we will study English. In previous class we have completed the poem Wind. Now it's time to write down the question answers. These are the question answers. I will get a photo click of it and I will send you. Then you will copy it down in your fair notebook and learn from there. Last question you will do yourself. The poem you have read is originally in the Tamil. Do you know any such poem in your language? The answers are variation in this question. That's why you will do yourself. Now we will switch to the second chapter, The Sound of Music. Second chapter's poem we already have done. So now we will go through The Sound of Music. This chapter, The Sound of Music, is written in two parts. Part 1, Evelyn Gallini listens to sound without hearing it. Without hearing it means actually she has lost her hearing power gradually. So she hears the sound but without the ears. That's why the title, The Sound of Music, is very appropriate. All the word meanings of the glossary or of the books are written over here. Again, I will get a photo click of it and then I will send you. So you may note down all the word meanings from there and learn all the word meanings as well. Alright, so now we will go through line to line in this chapter, and now no need to write any word meaning. You just grasp the meaning. You just go through the chapter and then you will note down all the word meanings from uh, I will send you the pic and then you will learn from there. See, God may have taken her hearing, but He has given her back something extraordinary. Okay, God may have taken a sense of hearing, but He has given her back something extraordinary. Extraordinary means special. God have given something special to her. What we hear, she feels. What we hear by the ears, but actually she can hear without the ear. The senses, she feels the sound far more deeply than any of us. Means she can hear the sound far more deeply than any of us. Means than any of us who hear the sound by the help of the ears. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. She expresses the music so beautifully because she can hear that sound by the sense of realization, not ears. Okay. Read the following account of a person. Now we will go through her narration of the person, of her narration who fought against. Means we will go through her narration. Account of narration. All the word meanings are written again. I am saying to you. So you will note it down from there. Now you just grasp the meaning. Understand it, okay? Read the following account of person who fought against a physical disability, who fought against a physical disability and made her life a success story. So now let's see how she made her life a success story, or how she fought against a physical disability. Okay, she became deaf, that is the physical disability or impaired. So now we will go through the passage line to line. Rush, our crowds jostle. Jostle is written, that means push roughly, means crowds, means a large number of people, they rush, they run, or they push roughly for position, to occupy their seat or position on the underground train platform. Okay, they all were going to the underground train platform. That's why they were rushing, means running. That's why they were pushing roughly. Jostle means push roughly. A slight girl. Here, slight means small and thin. A small and thin girl looking younger than her 17 years means there was a small and thin young girl of the 17 years old was nervous. She was nervous. She was serious. Yet excited as she felt the vibrations. But she was excited as well. Why she was excited? Because she felt the vibrations. Vibrations means trembling or quivering sound. She was excited because she felt the vibrations of the approaching train. That coming train approaching. Approaching means coming. What the train was coming, when she heard the vibration, then she was excited or she was serious. Nervous here means serious. All the word meanings are written here, okay? Don't you worry. See, it was her first day at the prestigious means esteemed. It was her first day at the esteemed Royal Academy of Music in London. It was her first day that she was going to Academy of Music in London. And daunting is also written in glossary. Daunting means frightening. She was frightening enough for any teenager fresh from a Scottish farm. Okay, she was for any teenager means it is actually spontaneous, natural to frighten. For such a fresh teenager, fresh means new, or for such a Scottish farm. Actually, farm in the sense she belongs to a farmer family. Okay, to such a girl, it was a matter of frightening. Okay, to go esteemed. Okay, esteemed means respected or prestigious Royal Academy. Got the point? Yes. See. But this aspiring musician is also written. That means a person who wants to be a musician faced a bigger challenge. Means one who wants to be a musician has to face bigger challenge than most. She was profoundly deep, or especially for her, because she was profoundly deep. Profoundly means deeply. She was deeply deep. Evelyn Galine's loss of hearing had been gradual. Gradual means slow. Actually, she was losing the listening power gradually or slowly. Her mother remembers noticing, even her mother was noticing something was wrong when the 8-year-old when Evelyn was 8 years old, at that time her mother also noticed that something is wrong with her. Evelyn was waiting to play the piano. When Evelyn was waiting to play the piano, at that time they called, they here means actually teachers. Okay, so teachers called her name and she didn't move. She did not respond. I suddenly realized she hadn't heard. Then I realized that she did not hear. Or at that time, I realized that she lost her power of hearing. Says Isabel Galeni. Isabel Galeni, her mother, says that when she was 8 years old, at that time, the teachers were calling her when she was playing piano. At that time, she did not respond or she didn't move. Then she realized that she was losing her hearing power. Okay, she became deaf. For quite a while, means sometimes Evelyn Manage to conceal. Conceal means hide. Okay. So sometimes she managed to hide her growing deafness. Actually, she knows. Evelyn Gallieni knows that she is losing the hearing power. In spite of it, she did not share it to anyone, whether friends or teachers. She did not share. But by the time she was 11, when she was 11, her marks had deteriorated. Deteriorated means got less. Means she lose her marks. And her headmistress urged means requested. And her headmistress requested her parents to take her to a specialist, means consult with a specialist. It was then discovered that her hearing was severely impaired. Means her hearing was terribly impaired. Impaired matlab weakened. Okay, weakened. As a result of gradual nerve damage. Actually, her gradual nerve damage. Actually, gradual nerves are nerves by which we hear. So she got damaged. Okay, the gradual nerve. They were advised that she should be fitted with hearing aids. She will be fitted with hearing aids and sent to a school for the deaf, and she will be sent to the school for the deaf because now she is unable to hear. Everything suddenly looked black, says Evelyn. Evelyn also advocates and says that she is unable to see, means everything looks black. But Evelyn was not going to give up, but she was not going to lose her heart. Okay, she was in, she was determined to lead a normal life. She was determined to lead a normal life, to spend a normal life, and pursue and continue her interest in music. And she continued with the interest in music. Means she wanted to spend her normal life as the other people spend their normal life. One day she noticed a girl playing a xylophone. So one day she noticed a girl is playing a xylophone. Xylophone is actually a musical instrument. You may see here in the glossary it is given a musical instrument with a row of wooden bars of different lengths. Okay. So one day she noticed a girl playing a xylophone and decided that she wanted to play it. So when she saw a girl who was playing a xylophone, she also wished or wanted to play it. Most of the teachers discouraged her. When she wished to play it, so most of the teachers, discouraged her. But Pachinist, do not pronounce it percussionist. Percussionist is wrong pronunciation. The correct pronunciation is Pachinist. Okay, Pachinist means a person who plays the drum or the tabla. Pachinist. Okay, Pachinist. Name of Pachinist is Ron Forbes. Ron Forbes spotted at that time. Ron Forbes noticed. Spotted means noticed her potential. Okay, her capability, ability to learn. Okay, he began by tuning two large drums. At that time, he started to beat the two large drums, two different notes. These two different drums were producing two different notes, sounds. Don't listen through your ears. At that time, while he was playing the two kinds of drums, he says to her that don't try to hear it by the ears, just try to realize it, or rather just try to feel by some any other body parts. He would say try to sense it some other way, says Evelyn suddenly. I realize I could feel the higher drum from the waist up. She says, I can realize the higher uh, pitch note by the waist up and the lower pitch notes by the waist down. Forbes repeated the exercise. Okay. Forbes, pianist, he repeats the sound, he beat the drum again, and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. And now, at that time, she realizes that she can realize that sound by the help of different parts of her body. I had learned to open my mind and body to sound, and now she allows her mind. In the second time, she says, I had learned to open my mind and body. Means now she can realize that sound by the mind and body. To sound and vibrations. Means she can realize the sound or vibrations by the help of the mind and body. Means she opened her mind and body to enter that sound or to pour the sound. The rest was sheer. Sheer means only. The rest was sheer determination, or the rest thing depends upon the determination or it depends upon the hard work. So one thing we can say, how determined she was and how laborious she was. She did not lose even her hearts. Even the teachers, they have the doubt or they says that she cannot learn a xylophone. But in spite of it, she was trying to learn the xylophone, or at the same time, actually, there was a pianist, Ron Forbes, who was sitting over there. So he was, he motivating her, she can do. So in such a manner, the half part is still remaining, but in next video, we will complete this part, and I hope you will note down all the question answers from the poem of Wind. I will send you a pic of that question answers, and you will learn all the word meanings from here. All the word meanings are given. All right. I will send you a pic. So you will note down all the word meanings. All the word meanings of the part 1 is given. So I will send you all the word meanings. Dear students, you will learn it. And I hope what I taught you today, you might have grasped the meaning. Still you have any problem, you can ask me anytime, okay? By the phone call or by the message. So once again, thank you and have a nice day.